Hi everyone. It's been a while since I made a video before. But I came across this one problem that I was having personally. I know other people have also had the same problem as well. It involves the turn signal switch here. There may be this issue where sometimes you click the turn signal at either left or right, and when you go and make your turn, everything's fine until you go and try to get out of the turn. Then all of a sudden the thing doesn't click back into place. That's the issue I'm facing right now. I was looking through a video, a few videos on YouTube that people have made resolving this issue, and they all seemed a little, they added unnecessary steps, if I'm being real. The biggest unnecessary step was taking this whole steering wheel off. Honestly, when I was just doing a little bit of just investigating around, and I realized that like the little bolts that you'll see under this little plastic trimming here, it's easily accessible if you just angle the steering wheel at the right portion. And of course, eventually you'll have to detach the the battery from the car itself when you actually take out the switch itself, because you're going to be messing with wires and stuff, so you don't want anything short-circuiting. But when you get to that point, it's honestly just smooth sailing from there. You don't have to worry about messing up the airbag from this unit. I've heard that there's possibilities that the airbag could go off as you're taking off the steering wheel, and it's like that's just going to add even more problems if not injuries to your day. So follow this little guide I'm about to make, and I'll show you how it goes. Alright, so here's step one. It is probably the easiest step. You just put your finger right under here, just tug it towards you a little bit, and then pull it up. This will detach that side of the little thing there, and then do the same on this side. You may have to actually push up against this little part right here as you're pulling this part up here. But just give it a little tug, and there you go, it'll come right off. And there you go, step one is now completed. Step two is going to involve just taking off that little bolt there like I mentioned earlier. Like I said, you're going to want to angle this properly when you do this. So just one little thing I want to mention, there is one bolt under here. It's like basically directly underneath the steering wheel column. It's just the same bolt that I just showed you that was right here, same size. It's going to be under there though, so just take that off so you can take off this part of the assembly. Just a little FYI, if you want to take this whole column off, remember there's one screw on this side and then one on this side as well. So just take these two off and then take that bottom one off, and this whole, honestly, this whole little plastic trimming around should just come right off. And right after you do that, this is what it should look like. Everything's all exposed. The plastic thing's off. Yep. Now it's going to be easy as cake to get this thing right off. So with the negative battery cable disconnected, all you do is you just hold on to these two little things here. You squeeze them really tightly, and then you're just gonna pull it right out. And then there's something here, there's like a little tab there that you push up, you hold up, and then you pull right out, and there you go. And then you get the new thing, and you just plug this in there and just slot it right back in and repeat all the steps in reverse. Hope this helped. Leave a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you loved it. See you soon. Hey, I'm just gonna make this video in case some people aren't convinced it didn't work. Here's me testing out the thing again, and then yeah, it clicking back. There you go. Hope this video helped again. Sorry, the professionalism is not top notch. I rarely make videos like these, so yeah, if you want, I guess if you want to see more, let me know. I don't really have any other car repair videos. honestly, I still don't even know why I have this Cruze. Yeah, to be real though, the Cruze hasn't really given me any big issues. Just little minor things that had to get replaced here or there. I guess my only complaint is just anything involving like the coolant lines and stuff underneath the what do you call it, the hood of the engine. Just all those coolant lines, just at least the parts with the plastic on them, just those plastic parts constantly break. So but other than that though, yeah, it's been doing pretty good so far. I'm at 138,000 miles. I haven't been using it recently, so I got a truck. So yeah. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Let me know, give me some suggestions if you guys have any on anything that I may have missed. And yeah, take care.